Hello and welcome back. So today we're gonna do little summer glowy glam. This is not necessarily sweatproof summer makeup, but more just like a summer dewy fresh type of makeup. So I'm gonna use the Fenty Hydrating Primer today because we need a primer today. I am going to head out afterwards for this, so I'll be gone out for a few hours and it's very warm here, so if it does stay on, I'll let you know. And now I'm going into the MAC Strobe Face Glaze. I have been loving this product so much. It just gives such a good glow on my cheeks. As you can see, my face is like 5 shades lighter than my body. I just put a little bit of instant tan on because my actual tan is wearing off and I haven't topped it up yet, so I just put some instant tan. So I'll put my foundation on and we will match my face to my neck. So see that extra glowy. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation and I'm going to apply this with a Zoeva 104 buffing brush. This shade is 230. I was supposed to film yesterday, but I swear the heat just took every single ounce of energy out of my body and I couldn't film. So I'm glad I have a little bit more energy today to film. Moving on, I'm going to use the Fenty concealer today as well. This is the shade 200. I'm going to blend that out now using this MAC brush. I think I mentioned this in my last tutorial. It's a 128, I think. It's so nice for concealer. Okay, so we're going to continue with our creamy products and then we'll set everything. So I'm going in with my cream contour from Fenty Beauty. And this is a Morphe Y9 brush. I'm just going to bronze underneath my cheekbones. Just use this to kind of warm up the outsides of my face. So I'm going to take this blush from Iconic London. It's a liquid blush. This is the shade Fresh Faced. I'm blending that out with this Fenty bronzing brush. So I'm going in with my good old trusty Hourglass. So I'm going to go in now and do my brows. So I'm going to first set them with my brow setter from Benefit. So I just like to comb them up and just press them down so they stick to my skin and they stay in place. I'm going to try this brow product from Kat Von D Beauty. It's their taupe brow pomade. I don't think I've ever used this colour before, but we're going to try it today. I'm just going to go in with a little flat angled brush and just flick on some little hairs and fill in any gaps. Oh yeah, that's a good colour. That is a really good colour for my brows. I am gonna just do a teeny tiny, very soft wing here on the outer corners just to kind of lift my eye a little bit. I haven't used this product for a liner before, but I'm gonna try it today. It's the Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadows from Too Faced. I'm gonna take the colour Chocolate Malt, put a little bit on my hand, and then going in with a flat angled brush, picking up some of the product, and I'm just gonna do a little wing on the outer corners. I'm going to go with the shade Chocolate Bunny. I feel like I just need this to be a little bit darker. I'm just going over the liner with a little fluffy brush just to soften the line. I'm just gonna do my lashes now. I'm taking the Giga Black Lash from MAC. So I wasn't gonna add lashes, but then I changed my mind. I'm gonna add these little corner lashes. These were a pair of, I think, Makeup Geek lashes. I can't remember the name of them, but I just cut them in half, and I've been using these for just popping them on the ends of different eye looks that I do when I want them to be a little bit more subtle, but still have a little pop to it. So these have been great. I'm going to take the Too Faced Turn Up the Light palette, and I'm taking the Glow shade from that, and I'm just going to use a little bit of this colour to apply to my inner corners. And I'm just jumping in then with my Fenty bronzer. This is the powder bronzer. Just going to warm up my skin a little bit more. I'm going to use the Too Faced palette to highlight my cheekbones as well. For my lips, I'm just gonna put some gloss on. This is a new shade from Jouer. It's called Parisian. It's such a nice, soft, subtle colour. Now I'm using this setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I'm gonna spray it, not on camera, I'm gonna spray it over here because Garfield is right here, and that would not be nice for him. I put a good spritz of that all over. So that is it for my quick little summer look. So that's it. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.